Hello viewers, and welcome back to Cooking and DIY, where we cook delicious meals and we show you how to do simple jobs around the house, avoid the need for a tradesman. Now, today I'm going to show you a delicious, spicy and crispy roast potato recipe. Make sure you watch the video from start to finish. If this is your first time watching any of our videos, I'd love for you to leave a positive comment, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Now let's go straight into the video. This is the potatoes that I'm going to use to make this delicious, spicy and crispy roast potato. Just going to peel these potatoes now. Right, so this is one potato that I've peeled. What I want to do is cut the potatoes in equal sizes. So like for example, this potato, I'll cut it in two first, then I'm gonna cut it in four pieces. So one size potato like this will be cut in 8 pieces. So you can see these are maybe not exactly equal, but this is how I want it to be, in bite-sized pieces. Okay, so this is the last potato. So here we go, all sliced up and in the pot. The potato, I've added some water and some salt, and I'm gonna allow this to come to a boil, and then for about after 5 minutes I'm gonna turn off the hob. The dry rosemary will also add some extra flavors. So here is the potato now. It's been boiling up for about 5 minutes. I'm just gonna get a fork. As it is, it's still hard, but I'm gonna turn the hob off, and I'm just gonna leave the potato in the hot water. So while it's there, it will get a bit soft as well. Once it's cooled, I'm gonna drain the water off. The potato still in the pot. I'm gonna drain the water off. So just allow any excess water to be drained off, and once this is drained off and cooled, I'm gonna add it in the baking tray. Now that the potato is drained and cool, I'm gonna make a mixture that I'm gonna add to give the potato that crispiness and that spicy flavor. Firstly, this is some extra virgin olive oil. I'm just gonna add it in this little bowl here. Yeah, about that amount. This is some homemade green seasoning paste. Now this in itself has 13 ingredients inside. 13. That's 13. So just gonna use a clean fork and just gonna have a generous amount. It's some jerk seasoning paste. I'm gonna add a small amount because this is very hot. This is now ready. What I'm gonna do next is just to add the potato in a baking tray and then spread this paste all over the potato slices. Just gonna add the potato in now. You can notice I still have some of the leaves on the rosemary and the potato itself. This is the sauce I've made earlier, and I'm gonna spread it all over the potato. Nice and even all over the potato. This will give the potato flavor and crispiness. Okay, so as you can see, I've spread the paste that I've made all over the potato. You can see the potato is now beginning to have a nice color. Looks really yummy. I can't wait to taste this. Wow. So there you have it. Crispy, spicy roast potato. Very delicious. Wow. This is so nice. You could just have this as a meal, just as it is. Thank you very much for watching. I do appreciate your support. Please remember, give me a thumbs up, leave a positive comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.